Guardian are the originators of the warm roof conservatory conversion system, bringing you the biggest revelation to hit the home improvement market in years. The Guardian warm roof can either be fitted to replace your existing glass or polycarbonate roof, or indeed be used for your brand new solid roof conservatory. Guardian have roof solutions for lean-to, Victorian, Edwardian, gable end, and combination. Bespoke solutions are also available. The Guardian warm roof system is engineered to replace the entire roof. Some systems only overclad an existing roof, which was never designed to carry the additional weight. The vital first step is to remove the entire existing roof. Once the old roof is removed, a new timber add-on is secured to the top side of the window frames. This will accommodate the Guardian ventilated ring beam. The ring beam is fastened to the timber and pre-formed angled cleats are used to secure the joints. The aluminium rafters, ridges and wall plates are fitted, and the spider arms are secured to the spider bracket. Finally, the aluminium and steel rafter cleats are secured to the ring beam and ridge. Structural weatherproof plyboard is added and fixed at 200mm centres. The Guardian breathable waterproof membrane is laid over the plyboard and secured in place using a staple gun. Your chosen tile is then added, ensuring weather tightness. The tiles carry a 40-year guarantee. On combination conservatories, a preformed valley flashing will be used before tile installation to ensure continuation of weather tightness. Timber battens are fixed to the roof at the ridge and hip joints. Ridge caps, ends and crowns are then attached to the prefixed battens. As per our thermal U value and condensation risk reports, the Guardian roof allows adequate ventilation to eliminate any risk of condensation. The external cover trim and rainwater system is installed. The roof tile is available in burnt umber, charcoal, moss green, antique red, and ebony. Moving now to the inside of your conservatory. Insulation is installed between rafters, leaving an air gap for ventilation. Timber battens are secured, ready to receive another layer of insulation. And aluminium foil tape is applied to all joints to ensure airtightness. Insulated plasterboard is installed, ready for internal taping and plaster. A total of 125mm of high-performance insulation is used for outstanding insulating performance. You can add some fantastic finishing touches, such as concealed lighting and optional roof windows. The whole system has been developed to be high-strength and lightweight, and is stronger but lighter than the original conservatory glass it replaces. Your entire installation will take approximately 3 days to complete. Your fully guaranteed Guardian room is now ready to enjoy all year round.